Hey Pretty Builders. Today I'm going to be going over how to set up your store and sell physical products. I also have a video on how to add digital products, which I will link below in the description. If this is the first time you're going to the store section on your Pretty Dashboard website, just make sure you go through this little kind of setup sequence here to get your store kind of set up and get all your settings and your payment processor done, and it'll help you a lot as you keep moving forward. But today I'm just going to show you how to add a physical product to your store. So what you're first going to want to do is go over here to products, click on add product, and then we're going to choose physical product. So we'll just fill this out a little bit here. So we'll just write test physical product. And now here in the description, this is what's going to show up on your product page. When someone clicks to purchase the product, it will bring them to a product page like you're used to on any other e-commerce platform. But here you can add just a text description, or you can actually use the drag and drop editor like you would on your main builder page. So you can add and use any of the widgets from the widget bar here in your actual description box, which is pretty cool. So you can add images, you could add, icons, you could add forms, and you could make a really robust product page. So we'll just keep it simple for now and just leave the description with this pre-populated text here, but you can add obviously whatever you want. You want to write a nice little description about your product. So we'll go ahead and move down to price. So we'll make a fake price here, $25. You could alternatively make it on sale, so it'll show the old price and then the new price. Or you could even make this a subscription product, so you could have ongoing payments of your choosing. So you could have 52 payments, which would be every single week, or you could choose whatever you want. You could put your own SKU in here if you wanted. You can add the weight, and then obviously we're doing a physical product, so we're going to leave this as physical product. You can also track the inventory, so you could add, you have 10 available in stock, and then that will track it as you sell. You can add variations such as size, color, weight, etc. So let's say you have, we'll do color. So we'll have blue, red, yellow. And now, if you wanted to get more advanced with this, you could click the advanced tab and you could put, prices per color. You could add the available stock per color and the weight per color. So we could also add size here. So let's add size, and then you'll see it show up in the advanced tab as well. So let's say small, medium, large. And now when you click the advanced button, that will also be in here. So now you have blue small, blue medium, blue large, red small, just red by itself. So as you can see, you can get really intricate with this and you can keep it very organized. You can alternatively add custom thank you pages. So you could have a custom thank you page for every single product that you create. So if someone purchases one product, they'll get sent to one thank you page. If you purchase another, they'll get sent to another thank you page, which is really nice. So you would just choose this tab, you would have already created your page, and then you would just choose it from here. You can ask additional questions. Let's say you want to have something engraved on your product, on a shirt or something. You could have the question here, so that way you could say name for shirt, because obviously in your description you would put like this is an engraved shirt, so, or an engraved whatever. So you would add a new field, label for additional field. So you could add multiple different questions here. You can also tag your customers. So each time someone purchases each product, you could have them tagged into certain things, and it would be added into your customer relationship manager, and they would be tagged under that certain thing. So that way you can, email those people, or you can just keep them organized, So if someone purchased a certain beauty product, you could have them tagged with that beauty product, and then you could continue to sell to them through emails. You can add an image here for the product, which you definitely want to do. You can add your products to a category. You could make this a hidden product, which just means that it won't show up on like your main default store. So when someone goes to your default store page, you'll see all the products, but if you want this one to be hidden from it because maybe you're selling it inside of a funnel, or maybe you're just selling it separately on just a page and you don't necessarily want it to show up in your store, you can click hidden product and it will hide it from your main store, but you'll still be able to sell it on pages. You can change the product page URL, and you can even put SEO settings for each of these things. So now that we've filled this out, I actually just want to show you quickly how you can edit the default product page. So we'll head over here to styling, and this is your product page. So we'll style the product page layout. So this is your default product page, what it looks like. And as you can see, it's in the builder. So you can add more blocks, you can add more widgets, and you can really build out your product page to be really nice. And here's the description that I was talking about. So you can also add widgets into these descriptions, so it's not just this text, but as you can see, you can also add blocks and widgets wherever you want on this page, so you don't necessarily need to use the builder there. Here's where we put it on sale. It was originally $25. We put it on sale for $20 here. Here's where the image would go. And so as you can see, the more information you put into that page where you were creating the product, the more that will show up on this default product page. So that's it, guys. I just quickly wanted to show you how to add a physical product to your store. Now, if you want to learn about how to ship the physical products, I will link that video below, and I'll also have it pop up on your screen here so you can learn how to do the shipping of these physical products. There's a few different ways that you can do it, and you just want to choose the best way that works for you. Now, if you haven't tried out Pretty Dashboard, it is completely free to try for 14 days. You do not have to enter your credit card information, just your name and email, and you can get started building and try out the store and the builder and everything else Pretty Dashboard has to offer. All right, Pretty Builders, until next time.